How to see Telegram stars balance. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, open up the Telegram application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Also make sure that you have the latest version of Telegram application. Then tap on three dotted lines at the top left corner of the screen and then tap on settings. Now as you tap on settings, scroll down and here you can see the option of My Stars under the Telegram Premium option. So just tap on My Stars and here you'll be able to see the Telegram Stars page over here, and the balance can be seen over here at the top right corner of the screen. So right now it's zero balance because I have not had any stars bought, but if you want to choose and buy these stars, then you can choose from this package given below as 100 stars for $2 and 250 for $5 and so on. You can also give the stars to your friends by tapping on it. So if you want to choose the package, you can just tap on it, and here you just have to add your credit or debit card and then you'll be able to purchase the stars. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.